In this video we will explain how to turn 2D objects into 3D using the Extrude command in LusoCAD. Here we have 3 different geometric shapes that will serve as examples. If we are going to be working in the 3D plane, remember to turn the 3D view. Here we have an isometric view. To extrude, enter the command. Select the object and input a height. These objects are being extruded as a solid model. As we can see, it's a very simple command. Now, you can notice that this square was extruded differently than the previous one. This is because this last square was composed of individual lines, while the previous was a singular object. This produces a surface extrusion, not a solid one. If we want this square to be a solid extrusion, we must go back and use the join command to join all lines in one entire square. Let's try again. And we see that the extrude command now produces a solid model. Now, if you want to produce a surface model even when you are extruding a multi-line object, you can right-click using the extrude command to select the extrude mode. Here we see that after selecting surface in the mode settings, our square was extruded as a surface model. In the visual style ribbon, we can also choose between other looks for our 3D models.